Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today I want to share with you a super yummy baby and toddler recipe. We're going to prepare together a sweet peas and mint puree that we're going to serve in so many different ways so that it will be perfect for babies, toddlers, and adults. Are you curious? Let's start together. We're going to use English sweet peas, and I use the frozen one, the most common that you can find in every grocery store. We're going to steam our sweet peas in a steamer for 8 minutes, nothing more. Then we're going to transfer our sweet peas in a food processor. We're going to add some of the steaming water that is left at the bottom of the pan, half a cup. We're going to add 4 leaves of fresh mint, and we're going to pulse or blend up until obtaining a nice smooth puree. I really want all the peel of the sweet peas seeds to be gone, to be nice and smooth. That's it. That's how easy it is to prepare a sweet pea puree. Now, how to serve this sweet pea puree to your little one? Oh, there are so many ways. First one, the easiest, simply serve it like that, as a puree. If you're following the baby-led weaning method, simply preload a baby spoon with the puree and offer to your baby. Option B, you want to add some texture to this sweet pea puree. And cottage cheese is a lovely combination. So, in a small cup, simply mix 1 tablespoon of sweet pea puree with half a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is perfect for little ones starting from 6 months of age. It gives more texture and creaminess to the sweet peas. Why not taking a slice of toast bread? Slice it in rectangles, long ones, spread the sweet pea puree on top, and also add some color. So some cherry tomatoes halved, or why not some grated carrots, and serve it to your little ones into sticks. That's another lovely idea. Another good idea for babies or for toddlers is to use the sweet pea puree as a dressing for a pasta. So cook separately any kind of pasta that your little one likes. Today, my little ones, they loved elbow pasta shape, the small one. Cook the pasta and then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of the sweet pea puree, and also use some water from the boiling pasta to thin the sauce, and of course add some grated Parmesan cheese on top. It's a lovely pasta recipe, super nutritious. If you would like other recipe ideas using sweet peas, I got you covered. I have so many on my blog. If you still want to stay into the baby puree area, I do have a lovely recipe with pear, cardamom, and sweet peas. It's very good for constipation. Or I have another recipe where I paired sweet peas with salmon. I also have a peas pasta pesto trio with 3 different kind of greens, including sweet peas. Another one is a lovely soup with potatoes, chickpeas, and sweet peas. Check them out. I also have toddler recipes and family recipes, like the sweet peas and ham lasagna, that's really yummy, or the sweet peas pasta in nest with tomatoes that they look like little pasta muffins, super yummy. But I have many more. Check the links here below, or there should be a link here. Let's keep talking about sweet peas. Can I add other veggies to this puree? Of course you can. Carrots and zucchini are a nice combo to add to the sweet peas. Simply add them in the simmer next to the sweet peas. That's so easy. How to store any leftover of this puree? If you cooked too much of this puree, you can always freeze any leftover, and I really like to use the silicone ice cube size container so that when I need a quantity of sweet pea puree, I simply remove the number of cubes that I need for the recipe. So useful. What kind of peas should I use? If you go at the grocery store or at the farmer's market, usually you find 3 varieties of sweet peas. We have the English ones, the ones that we use today. They come in a pod, they have the seeds inside, and you only eat the seeds. You discard the pod. Or you have the super flat ones with little seeds inside. They are called snow peas. Snow peas, they are very tender and you eat the whole snow peas, so with the pod. And the third kind is the snap peas. So they really look like the English one. So they're a bit bulky. They have big seeds inside, but you eat the whole thing. And usually you eat them raw as a snack. For babies and toddlers, I like to use the English peas, so the one that were used only the round seeds. And for little ones, you can create a puree for 6 months of age. Going up, like 9 months of age, you can steam them and simply mash them with your thumb or with a fork and let your little one grab the small pieces. Starting from 12 months of age, so toddler, that's when you can serve the little round bowl and your little one will be able to grab and enjoy without any choking hazard. For the other kind of peas, like the snow peas, I would steam them and serve them at around 9 months of age. Once they are steamed, they are soft enough to be chewed, or you can also chop them in small pieces so that your little one can grab them. Nutritional values. Okay. Peas, they are legumes. It means that they are loaded with protein and fiber, and that's a very good thing. Also, they are very rich in iron and vitamin C. And it is a very unique combination, also because in order for iron to be absorbed by your body, you need vitamin C. And the fact that you have the two elements in the same food is simply amazing. Sweet peas are also very high in omega-3 fatty acids, that is brain fuel for little ones. So I really recommend to add sweet peas and peas in your babies and toddler diet, because from a nutritional point of view, it's an amazing food. Can I use canned sweet peas? This time, to be honest, I would not recommend using canned sweet peas simply because they add salt, and they add a lot of salt in the cans. So if you do not have any other option and there is no other legume that you can use, okay, use the canned one, but please check the amount of sodium and try to buy the can with the less amount of sodium. I really hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments here below. If you're looking for more sweet recipes, you find the link to the playlist here below. Most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. And if you click the little bell, you will also be notified when I publish a new recipe. Thank you for your comments, for your support, for your love. It's really appreciated. And see you next time with a new recipe. Ciao, ciao, ciao.